when we're digging a basement, the hydraulic power is one of the key benefits of a hybrid machine. We're at 100% hydraulic strength all the time, so we don't have to wait for the machine to spool up. When we come into the dig, we can get a full bucket every time.
All the loaders I've run up to this point have all been normal hydrostatic type of transmissions, you know. The difference with the hybrid, what I had to get used to is it's so responsive because it's electric drive. It's real torquey and it gets with the program once you step on the pedal. I love the way the thing digs with that torque.
The fuel consumption is icing on the cake for us. We get all the benefits of the hydraulic power, and it makes it a faster operation for us, which is savings in itself. And then the fact that we burn significantly less fuel than a traditional machine helps even more on top of the speedy digs that we can get. The lower fuel burn obviously has a lower price impact for us. I would tell other people considering a hybrid, they need to make sure that they look at all the aspects and all the benefits of using a hybrid, because it's more than just fuel consumption. It's the increased time with the increased hydraulic power, and once you add that, there's no other decision that can be made.